There are three things that we're going to look at as it relates to division. The first one is sharing. Then we'll look at grouping. Then we're going to talk about leftovers or remainders. Let's jump back to the first one now. If we have 15 marbles and 3 kids, it would look like this. Here's what a picture would look like. So each kid would get 5 marbles. A good way to do it is if you say, count by threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, we know our answer is 5. The division question would look like this. 15 marbles divided by 3 equals 5. Sometimes people get scared when they see this new symbol because it looks like some fancy math. But it's okay. It just means sharing or grouping. It can also look like this. If it's written like this, the answer goes on top. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. These are just two different ways of showing the same division question. So anytime you're sharing something, you're actually dividing. Now, an important thing about division is it has to be equal. One kid can't have 10, another kid have 2, another kid have 3. It has to be equal for division. Now here's another one you might have. Let's say you're in school and the teacher wants to put the kids in even rows. If you have 20 kids, you could have 5 rows. It would look like this. So 5 rows. Now we can just fill the rows up. So that's 5, I can count by 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20. I know we're gonna have 4 people in each row. So I'll draw them in now. Okay, the math question would look like this. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Or like this. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Now the last part we're going to talk about today for division is what happens if it's not even. These ones have always worked out evenly. Life's not always like that. Things do not always work out quite right. So let's say we have 18 hockey cards and 4 friends. Let's just put them in little piles here. This can be one kid's pile. So each of these represents one of the friends. So we're gonna share the cards now, okay? So we have 18. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I know that I could go 17, 18, but remember, it has to be equal groups. So what I have here is 2 left over. So they might have to do rock, paper, scissors, or figure out some other way of sharing those cards. And the math questions will look like this. 18 divided by 4 equals 4, remainder 2. Or 18 divided by 4 is 4, remainder 2.